Hello everyone, welcome to the Maths Part 1 for SSC Class 10th. So, in this subject, we have 6 lessons: linear equation in two variables, quadratic equations, arithmetic progressions, financial planning, probability, and statistics. So, this textbook covers 4 areas: knowledge of numbers, which is based on topic arithmetic progression. In arithmetic progression, we will able to learn to solve the problem using arithmetic progression and plan steps to achieve goals in future. Algebra area covers 2 chapters: quadratic equation and linear equations in two variables. In these two chapters, we will able to learn how to solve problems and express them in form of quadratic equations and decide the number of variables required to find the solution of problems, and also convert the word problem into equations in two variables and its solutions. Commercial mathematics, which is very important part of day-to-day life, which consists of chapter financial planning. In this chapter, we will able to understand the concept of savings and investments, getting familiar with the financial transactions of business and profession, etc. Statistics and probability, which is an important point of view for exams as well, consist of two parts: probability and statistics. In these chapters, we will able to learn the concept of probability in games, voting, etc. Present and collect the data in the form of graphs, pictures, deciding the suitable form of presentation, and find the mean deviation mode and provide the classified data.